What's going on, everybody? This is the Corsair STRAFE gaming keyboard review. Just got this for $79 at Best Buy. I got them to price match Amazon. It's pretty sleek little keyboard here. It is a mechanical keyboard. I was kind of nervous about that. I'd never had one before. I knew they were kind of loud, but this one of the biggest features to me is that it's very quiet. I mean, that's pretty quiet. It has some cool settings you can change. I have it on like a ripple effect based on the key I press, which I think is kind of cool. There's a web utility here, or just like a keyboard utility here. Has some different settings. Wave, rain. Rain's kind of cool. This is red. It's not a RGB or whatever one, but yeah, this is the packaging here. Corsair. It did come with some little keys you can add for the WASD, or I think the QWERTY, something like that, but it gives them just a little bit of texture. There's a whatever technology that makes it pretty quiet. But yeah, Corsair STRAFE. It's a good keyboard. I like it. Definitely recommend buying, especially if you can get Best Buy to price match, which will almost always price match. I don't know why it's out of focus there. But yeah, pick it up if you want a good, inexpensive keyboard. It did have there's some lights on the side right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's reflecting off my hand there. I thought that was kind of cool, and has a Windows lock button there. And then this is just a brightness setting, but yeah, I would definitely recommend picking this up. I'm pretty excited to check it out. Play around with it a little bit today. Alright, well, have a good day, and thanks for watching my video.